In this video, we're going to look at how to assemble the Magnus VT3000 tripod. So the first step after taking it out of the bag is to remove the clip that keeps the legs attached together. Once you remove that clip, what I do is I unclip each of the bottom clips and then turn the tripod and let gravity make the legs extend all the way out. Then I go ahead and clamp those back, and then I go to the top part of the tripod and I undo the levers here as well, each of the levers, and then you'll notice there are little brackets next to the clamps. Push down on those and extend each of the legs all the way down. Then you go ahead and lock those back up. Then you place one leg down on the ground and spread the tripod out, and then press down the center bracket to lock the legs in place. Now the VT3000 comes with an adjustable handle. So what you do is you unscrew the handle. There are teeth on the handle, and so once you've unscrewed it enough, you can rotate the handle up. You get a nice comfortable position, you tighten it back. Now you're able to turn your head of the tripod left and right very easily. Sometimes after setting up your tripod, you'll realize it's too high or too low. So it's very easy to adjust the VT3000. Simply unclip the top legs and then wiggle it back and forth until it gets to the height that you want. Clip it back, then use your leveling knob and re-level your tripod. The VT3000 comes with a handy leveling device. Right underneath the center part of the tripod, you'll see a little handle. If you unscrew the handle, that makes the head of the tripod rotate around. There's also a little bubble level that you can look at and get the bubble right in the center of that and then tighten it up. Now the handy tip is that it's left loose, right tight. What's nice about being able to level the tripod is that no matter which direction you rotate the head, the plate remains level. The VT3000 also has a removable plate which allows you to attach an iPad directly to the tripod. To do that, there's a big lever in the back that you just rotate slightly, maybe 2 turns. That gives the plate freedom to slide back and forth. There's a button at the very back of the tripod that you press in, and that allows the plate to be removed completely. Now it's important to keep in mind the direction in which you removed it. You'll always want to make sure that the springy pin is facing forward when you put the plate back in. When you slide it back in, to tighten it, this big knob, you tighten. So let's go ahead and remove the plate and we'll attach a tripod mount to it. This is a tripod mount for the iPad. It's adjustable. You'll always want the iPad facing you as you're recording. So when you go to mount this, it's handy to have a screwdriver so that you can actually attach the plate to your tripod mount. Once it's tightened, check to make sure that it's square, and then you can slide it back in. Another tip to look for, there are grooves on one side of the plate. Those grooves should line up with the gear on the base of the tripod. We're going to slide that in, lock with the big lock, and there you go. So tripods are great. They allow you to have a nice steady platform for your iPad. They allow you to pan left and right, allow you to tilt up and down. And with this particular model, the VT3000, you can actually unscrew the head, adjust the level, and then tighten it back up. Left loose, right tight. Remember that. So enjoy using the VT3000.